Hi, today I'm demonstrating a demand forecasting agent for auto manufacturing, which is built using the Google Agent ADK Visual Builder and Python. Looking at the workspace, you can see our core components, the manufacturing data collector, the manufacturing insights agent, and the forecasting agent. And to power these, I've uploaded mock data files covering sales history, current inventory, and raw material status, etc. Now I'll run the ADK web command, which launches the Visual Builder interface. I'll click on the link to open the agent and I'll just post a question over here with numerous steps that so that the agent can answer appropriately. And I'll click on the events on the left hand side so that we can have a look at all the events side by side. Now you can see the execution phase. The system is now transferring to the agent. It is actively calling the multiple methods or functions. It is getting the historical sales, getting the production metrics, fetching the inventory levels, searching the raw materials availability, analyzing the competitor activity, fetching the economic indicators, and accessing the supply chain risks in real time. Based on these multi-step analysis, it is then giving us this JSON, which we can just go through and understand, and then we can monitor the workflow progress, and then it will start generating the forecasting report for 30, 60, and the 90 days. You can see the forecast getting generated on the right hand side and the execution of the steps in the event section on the left hand side. And now I think so we will soon be getting the entire executive summary. And here is the executive summary providing the exact number of units predicted along the specific confidence level for each period. I can also trace the full sequence of all the 33 steps, showing exactly which tool was called at what time. Let me quickly click on the various events to walk you through it. You can see all the events happening in real time. This gives us the total visibility into the agent logic. Finally, if we need to optimize the logic, we can click on the edit button. This takes us back into the agent builder where we can instantly update the instruction description or add new tools.